Welcome students. Today we are starting our 4 chapters, 2 variables. So firstly I want to tell what is 2 variables. Here 2 variables means ऐसी इक्वेशंस जिसमें 2 अल्फ़ाबेट्स यूज़ किए गए हों. They will be AB, either PQ and either XY. Okay. So इस टाइप की इक्वेशंस क्या कहलाती है? 2 variables. Now your exercise 4.1 is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equations in 2 variables represent this statement. Here one hints are given. Take the cost of notebook be X rupees, that is the cost of one notebook, and taking rupees Y for one pen. Okay. So according to questions, let the cost of notebook be X and cost of pen be Y. Okay. So according to question, the cost of pen is twice for cost of notebook. इसका मतलब जो नोटबुक है वो पेन की ट्वाइस है. So here the cost of one notebook is X, so X is equal to Y का twice. Okay. When 2Y comes here, so this become minus. So here equation is X minus 2Y is equal to 0. Okay. Now question number second. Next question number second is express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c. Okay. So here 8 equations are given. So we have to find the value of a, b and c. So firstly taking first questions here, this is our first equations. When we compare equation number 1 from this, so we get here a is 2. We are comparing both equation. Okay. So place of a is written by 2 and place of b is written by 3, but here c is in left side. So firstly we have to change this equation and taking left side, so this become in minus form 9.35. Okay. So this is the value of c. Okay. So firstly we have to make the given equations from questions. In the questions equations is ax plus by plus c. So firstly we are making these equations for the compare from given equations. Okay. So first is same, value of a is 1, b is equal to minus 1 by 5 and c is equal to minus 10. This is the solution of second questions. And again equation third is minus 2 plus 6 equal to 6, 3y is equal to 6. So firstly 6 comes in left side, so this become minus. Here minus 2 is the value of a, 3 is the value of b and minus 6 is the value of c. Okay. All questions are same. So question number 3 to 8 in your homework you have to solve in your copies. Okay. But solutions are given. Now exercise 4.2. First question is which of the following option is true. In this question we have to say true or false and give reason why it is true or why it is false. Okay. So here first we have given equations is y is equal to 3x plus 5. Has here 3 things are given. Okay. Now first solution is unique solution, a second only 2 solution and third infinite many solution. हमें इन तीनों में से ये आंसर बताना है कि कौन सा सॉल्यूशन इस इक्वेशंस का होगा. ओके, सो फर्स्टली आई वांट टू टेल व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, टू सॉल्यूशन एंड इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशन. यूनिक सॉल्यूशन मीन्स इस क्वेश्चन में हम कुछ भी वैल्यूज रखें x की या y की, so we have to get same result. Okay, this is called unique solution. And second thing is only two solution. It means only two values are put in x place of x, so we get the same value is y. Okay, now third is infinite many solution. इसका मतलब x की वैल्यू हम कुछ भी पुट करें, सो y की वैल्यू में कुछ भी आ सकती है. ओके, so these types are equations called infinite many solution. Here this equations is infinite many solution because when we have to put the value of 0, value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So we have to get the value of y in different ways. Okay, so we can say easily the given equation is the solution is unique solution, sorry, infinite many solution. Okay, reason clear है. Infinite many solution, it is because the linear equation is two variables has infinite many solutions. We keep the changing the value of x and solve. So we इसके corresponding में हमें y की values different find होती हैं. Okay, now question number second is write four solution of the each equations. Suppose here first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now we have to get four solutions. So firstly we are putting the value of x is equal to 0. फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा. इसके करस्पॉन्ड में अपन y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. नेक्स्ट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 1. इसके करस्पॉन्ड में अपन को नेक्स्ट वैल्यू y की फाइंड करनी है. इस तरह से हमें फोर वैल्यूज़ इसमें पुट करते जाएंगे x की, एंड उसके करस्पॉन्ड में जो भी वैल्यूज़ की y की आती जाएंगी वही हमारे सॉल्यूशन होंगे. ओके, सो हेयर द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ गिवन इक्वेशंस नाउ फर्स्ट इज लेट x इज इक्वल टू 1. So we are putting the value of x is equal to 1, then solving the equations for x is equal to 1, then we get y is equal to 5. So first solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Okay, this is our first solution. Second, put 2, so we get same as equation 1. We get the second solution is 2, 3 and so on. We have to find two more solution. Okay, and question number second, third and fourth in your homework you have to solve in your registers. Okay, this is question second. These are three solutions, four solutions. They want any solutions. Okay, here this is first given equation is x is equal to 4y. So when we put x equal to 12, x equal to 16, x equal to 20, यहाँ हम 0 से लेके इन्फिनाइट तक कुछ भी नंबर पुट कर सकते हैं. ओके, यू कैन पुट 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 x, y, z, but we have to find four solutions. So this is compulsory. We have to put four values of x and corresponding x getting the value of y. Okay, now question number 3, check the following are solution of equations this yes or not. Means इसमें ये कुछ वैल्यूज़ दी हुई हैं, ये इसके सॉल्यूशन दी हुए हैं. इस ऊपर वाले इक्वेशंस के चेक करना है ये इसके सॉल्यूशन है या नहीं. तो फर्स्टली आई वांट टू टेल, सपोज द वैल्यू इज़ 2 and 0. दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ x and this is the value of y. So the given equations x minus 2y is equal to 4. In this equation we have to put the value of x is equal to 0 and value of y is equal to 2 in given equations. Okay, if we get 4, so this is solution. If we don't get 4, so this is not the solution. Okay, it is clear. Now see the solutions. Simple. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Put these equations. So we are not getting 4 equal to 4. So this is not the solution. Okay. Now question number second, third, fourth, fifth is your homework. You have to solve in your copies. Now last questions, number 4, find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 and given equation is 2x plus 3y. Okay, the given equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to k and value of x is equal to 2. So we have to put the value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 1. This is equal to k. Now we solve 2 2 is 4, 3 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So value of k is equal to 7. Okay, this is the answer. Now your exercise 4.1 and 4.2 is clear, and next exercise will be coming soon. Thanks students.